In a small village, hidden between rolling hills and quiet rivers, lived a grandmother named Mia. She was old, her silver hair tucked under a simple scarf. Her little house sat at the edge of the forest, where the villagers whispered about ancient magic and hidden treasures deep in the trees. Mai had heard the stories all her life, but as she grew older, she stopped believing in the legends. She spent her days knitting clothes for her grandchildren, brewing warm tea by the fire, and tending to her garden. The world seemed to have forgotten her, but she didn't mind. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Mai sat on her porch, gazing at the stars. Suddenly, she felt something, a soft pull in her heart, like a whisper calling her name. She turned toward the forest, where the trees seemed to sway gently in the wind. A strange golden light flickered between the branches, just beyond the tree line. She stood up, gripping her cane, and made her way toward the forest, the golden light growing brighter with every step. The air around her seemed to hum, like the forest itself was alive and waiting. As she entered the woods, the trees parted to reveal a narrow, glowing path. It was lined with soft, shimmering flowers that seemed to bloom as she walked closer. The path led deeper into the heart of the forest, and with each step, the magic in the air thickened. Mai felt a sense of peace she hadn't known in years. She followed the glowing path until she reached a clearing. In the center stood an ancient tree, its bark glimmering with gold and silver. At its base was a small, crystal-clear pond, and floating above the water was a golden butterfly, its wings shimmering like the stars above. The butterfly fluttered gently and then landed on the edge of the pond, where it turned to look at her. "Grandmother," the butterfly whispered in a soft, melodic voice, "you have come far. The magic of this forest has been waiting for you." Mai blinked in surprise, unsure if she was dreaming. "What is this place?" she asked, her voice trembling with awe. "This is the path of the ancients," the butterfly explained. "Only those with a heart full of kindness and wisdom can find it. You are the one chosen to protect the magic of the forest. The forest is fading, but your love and care can restore it." Mai's eyes filled with tears, not out of fear, but because for the first time in her life she felt truly seen. The butterfly flew towards her, landing gently on her outstretched hand. "You will carry the light of the forest within you. The magic will grow with your love and your faith." As the butterfly rested on her hand, a soft glow enveloped Mai. The forest around her seemed to breathe in rhythm with her heartbeat, the trees whispering their thanks. From that day on, Mai's life changed. The village flourished as the forest around it grew richer and more vibrant. The villagers, once unaware of the magic, began to feel the change too, as hope returned to their hearts. And every night, the stars above seemed to shine a little brighter, a reminder of the grandmother who had walked into the forest, her heart full of love, and had brought magic back to her world.